Welcome to Financial Knowledge. Today, we're diving into the world of Forex trading. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your basics, this video is for you. Let's get started. Section 1. What is Forex trading? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the largest financial market in the world, with a daily trading volume of over $6 trillion. But what exactly is Forex trading? Forex trading involves buying one currency while simultaneously selling another. These transactions happen in currency pairs like EUR/USD or GBP/JPY. The goal? To profit from changes in the exchange rates between these currencies. Section 2. How does Forex trading work? Forex trading takes place in an over-the-counter OTC market, meaning trades are conducted directly between parties, usually through electronic trading platforms. Traders speculate on the price movements of currency pairs. For example, if you believe the euro will strengthen against the US dollar, you'd buy the EUR/USD pair. If the euro does indeed strengthen, you can sell the pair at a higher price, making a profit. Section 3. Major currency pairs. There are several major currency pairs that are most commonly traded included. 1 EUR/USD, Euro/US dollar. 2 GBP/USD, British pound US dollar. 3 USD, US dollar Japanese yen. 4 USD/CF, US dollar Swiss franc. 5 AUD, Australian dollar, US dollar. These pairs involve the most economically stable and liquid currencies, making them popular among traders. Section 4. Forex market participants. The Forex market is composed of various participants, including central banks, influence currency prices through monetary policy and intervention. Financial institutions, engage in currency trading for their clients and their own accounts. Corporations, conduct transactions in foreign currencies for international trade. Retail traders, individual traders like you and me looking to profit from currency fluctuations. Section 5. Basic Forex terminology. Before you start trading, it's crucial to understand some basic Forex terminology. PIP, the smallest price move that a currency pair can make. Spread, the difference between the bid price and the ask price. Leverage allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. Margin, the amount of money needed to open a leveraged position. Lot, the standard unit of a transaction. A standard lot is 100,000 units of the base currency. Section 6. How to start trading Forex. Ready to start trading Forex? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Choose a reliable broker. Look for a broker with a good reputation, low fees, and a user-friendly platform. 2. Open a trading account. Complete the registration process and verify your identity. Fund your account. Deposit money into your trading account. Start with an amount you can afford to lose. 4. Download a trading platform. Popular platforms include MetaTrader 4 and 5.5. Learn and practice. Use a demo account to practice trading without risking real money. 6. Start trading. Begin with small trades and gradually increase as you gain confidence and experience. Section 7. Tips for successful Forex trading. Here are some tips to help you succeed in Forex trading. Stay informed. Keep up with global economic news and events. Develop a strategy. Create a trading plan and stick to it. Manage risk. Use stop-loss orders and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Keep emotions in check. Stay disciplined and avoid making impulsive decisions. Continuously learn. The Forex market is constantly evolving. Keep learning and adapting. That's a wrap on our introduction to Forex trading. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financial Knowledge for more insightful content. Have questions or topics you want us to cover? Drop them in the comments below. Happy trading.